Welcome to Winner's Warchest. My name is Oak Thorson, and the reason that I'm making this channel is because there are too many guys out there, way too many guys, that are just lacking. They're lacking in social skills, they're lacking in confidence, they're lacking in basic interactive ability. They're completely at a loss when you say, go talk to that girl over there. They're completely at a loss when you say, go make a deal with that guy over there. They're completely at a loss when you say, try and get that bowl of soup free because they messed it up, and then get another one on top of it. They're scared, they're shy, they're bottled up inside. They've lost their masculinity. They've lost their true essence. They've lost their ability to navigate the world in a way that a man should, to the point that even using the word man these days is becoming something of a disfavorable term, like it's something evil, like it's something not good. You know what's not good? Not being able to strike up a conversation with somebody that you need to talk to. Not being able to get what you want in a business deal because you're scared to do it. Not being able to go make a new friend because you don't know how to have a conversation. Not being able to get a girlfriend because you think that it's just going to happen if it's meant to happen. These things are not masculine. These things are not qualities of a winner. And it's gotten to the point that it's actually difficult to go find people out in society that are halfway respectable. They're just shy, they're just scared. And they might even seem confident within their small group of friends from school, but then as soon as they have to go into a new environment with new people, then they bottle up, then they shut down. And it's almost sad, it's almost pathetic. And I really don't know why that is. And it's not like, oh, well, this guy is just scared of public speaking. It's, this guy is so scared of having a conversation that he throws in all of these awkward laughs in between his sentences. Oh, hey, how you doing? Yeah, great to see you. That's not friendly, nor is that polite. That's awkward. But the other guy is usually so awkward too that both of them just get along and think, wow, what a nice guy. Yeah, you ask him, oh, what do you think of that guy? Oh, he's a nice guy. People don't even know how to recognize someone who's respectable when they are, because they're so unrespectable themselves that the qualities are just gone, beyond them. Our society is degrading. The men no longer have those traits, those characteristics that cause people to look up to them. And it really is a sad thing. It's a very sad thing. It's also a frustrating thing. So I want to share some of these things that I've learned, because I too used to be very shy. I used to be really bottled up. I used to have a huge shell. Not just an eggshell, but maybe 10 or 12 eggshells, plus an ostrich eggshell, okay? A really thick shell. But I broke out of it. So I want to teach you what I learned to help me break away those layers so that I could become my true self, my true extroverted self. I'm still introverted. I'm ambiguverted. Yeah. I want to help you be a winner. I want to help you fight for what you want in life. I want you to have the friends that you want to have. I want you to be able to approach the girl that you want to approach. I want you to be able to negotiate deals you need to negotiate. I want you to be able to feel comfortable in social situations, because there's no pride in hiding away in the corner of a networking event. There's no pride in not being able to talk to that girl at school. It's not cute. It's sad. It's pathetic. You are supposed to be the one that people look up to. You are supposed to be the one that people admire. So why are you looking around for someone else to tether to? It's because you yourself do not have what you need to have to be that leader, to be the one that others follow. Because you don't believe in yourself. You don't believe you're that person. Because every time you've been in an interaction that would allow you to determine if you are that person or not, you failed in it. Because you didn't know what to do. If you knew what to do, you would elicit the reaction from the other person or people that would reinforce what you're doing and make you feel good about being confident and competent. And then you would be able to snowball it, get bigger and bigger and bigger, until finally you were a respectable, admirable, competent man. But that hasn't happened for a lot of us out there. More so than any other time in human history, men are way below the line of where they need to be. You need to help fix that. You need to start with you. And I want to help you do that. Join me in Winner's Warchest and let me show you how to be a winner.